Hey, Shim Studios, I am back. Sorry about that. This is gonna be part two, I guess. Part one got interrupted by both my kids. They kind of wanted to know where I was at, so I could put them back down to sleep. So I am so sorry about that, y'all. We're gonna continue on with the show. If some of you forgot, first pack: Metapod, Ponyta, Poliwag, Pikachu, Nidorina, Raticate, Erica's Invitation, Amistar, Charmeleon, and we got the Alakazam EX. That was first pack. Let's move on to the second pack of Scarlet Violet 151. And again, tonight I'm kind of feeling like that Snorlax promo card. I'm kind of tired. Work was a little extra long today, but you know what? It is all good. Growlithe, Geodude, Jigglypuff, Staryu, Butterfree, Lapras, Cycling Road, Execute. Oh, Gold Mew EX Pack 2. Look at that. Oh, wow. All right. I don't know how we're getting that lucky tonight. Kabutops. Oh, man. Wow. All right. So this ETB is bringing it in the heat, y'all. Pack 3. Let's see what Pack 3 brings, alright? Paris, Voltorb, Krabby, Sandshrew, Magneton, Nidoqueen. Come on, I'm trying to get the camera to focus. Victory Bell, Chansey, Squirtle. Oh, man. That's a cool looking card, y'all. Nidoking and Basic Energy. Oh my god, dude! I swear, man, these packs are just getting better and better. Holy cow! All right, Charmander, Spearow, Bellsprout, Magikarp, Scyther, Charmeleon, Parasect, Vulpix, Nidorina, Vileplume. Oh, oh, we got a Hollow Energy. Oh man, I did not know Hollow Energies were a thing. What? Oh my gosh, this is epic. All right, Pack 5: Seal, Doduo, Tentacool, Rattata, Big Air Balloon, Primeape, Fearow, Protective Goggles, Gengar, Mew EX. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. All right, that was pack five. All right, time to move the Snorlax promo. Holy cow! All right, we got 4 packs to go. That's right. There's 9 booster packs inside these Elite Trainer boxes. All right, we got Mankey, Oddish, Meowth, Execute, Giovanni's Charisma, Cloyster, Grabber, Moltres, Shelter, Machamp. Yeah, dude. I was wondering when we are gonna see OG Machamp. Oh my gosh, y'all. This, you know, even for some of my younger viewers, yeah, convince your parents 100%. Ask them to get this, to get an Elite Trainer box for you. Squirtle, Venonat, Lickitung, Poliwhirl, Onix, Dragonair, Seadra, Rigged Band, Nidoking again, Aerodactyl again, and a hollow water. Oh my gosh. Well, wow. Alright, yo. Last 2 packs, here we go. Clefairy, Machop, Porygon, Electabuzz, Kingler, Energy Sticker, Rhydon, Dome Fossil, Doduo, Mewtwo. Oh man, we got Mew and Mewtwo in this box, but man, that gold hit. Holy moly, I was not expecting that. And for the record, the 25th anniversary celebrations, when I bought, I had, let's see, spent $1,000 store credit on all the products of the 25th anniversary set of Pokemon. And my first ETB, I pulled on the very first ETB opening. It wasn't on this channel, because this is before when I was kind of thinking about, should I do a Pokemon channel? Should I not do a Pokemon channel? Anyways, long story short, I ended up pulling that gold Mew as well. So, very fitting that I happened to pull the gold Mew in the 151. Yeah, and that was release day. Actually, that was release slash pre-release slash release. I was able to get my hands on a few boxes early. Machoke and Gyarados to finish off the box, man. That. I think I'm more pumped about the Gyarados than anything. I mean, Gyarados is one of my favorite Pokemon too, so that's going to end it with this one. Stay tuned. We have, let's see, maybe 3 more ETBs. We have 6 booster bundles coming. I do have another poster box behind me, but I've got 4 more poster boxes coming. I've got a lot of 151 stuff coming, so stay tuned for that. I will post when stuff starts arriving in mail. So stay safe, have fun. Thanks for being with me on this box opening. So I can't do this without y'all. Thanks again for those that are watching and supporting me. You know, we got good things coming. And we have Obsidian Flames just arrived, and we got that other Vivid Voltage, or a couple Vivid Voltage ETBs that just arrived as well. So stay tuned. Man, I'm having a lot of fun, y'all. High five.